What you doing? I've been wanting to talk to you. Yeah. Where you been? Where you been? What you want? What you... Bear Cave is such a unique campground. I mean, for one thing, how many campgrounds do you know of that you can tour a cave right on site? You also have a very diverse array of landscapes, I guess you'd say. I mean, most of the campsites are up on an open field, and then you're looking down on this lush forest with waterfalls, and then there's the beach right next to that. There aren't a ton of campsites here, but this place is just bustling with activity. And why wouldn't it be? It's such a fun place. There's a clubhouse and a pool here, but you know my favorite activity here was sitting on my favorite bench looking down into the forest at the waterfall. Bear Cave is one of my favorite campgrounds in all the Midwest. I would definitely come back here, and I give this one a 7-night rating. Spend at least a week here. Now, Bear Cave is a Thousand Trails park, so if you're a member, you can stay here for free. If you're not a Thousand Trails member already, I highly recommend it if you're going to be doing a lot of RVing or even full-time RVing. You save so much money. If you'd like to sign up for Thousand Trails today or find out more, check out my description page. I have a contact for you, and don't forget, mention my name. If this information has been helpful to you, do me a huge favor, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Guys, that's all I got for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.